this is Dee from Crystal Crafts with Dee. I have another unboxing to do for you today. This one is from OneDaySaving. So they contacted me and asked if I would like to review some more of their products, and I said of course. They're a great company to deal with. They have a great variety of all sorts of crafty goodness on there, budget friendly. So I've chosen 3 different diamond paintings. Now I have opened up the bag just to make sure I had the right company. And we have 3 diamond paintings. I'll go with this one, I think. So they all have come in this little bubble wrap sleeve. Okay. So the canvas is actually quite soft. Nice canvas. This one's a special drill, and it is a cute little 30 by 30 special drill heart diamond painting. You've got drills, you've got a standard toolkit, so it's a single placer, a tray and wax, and some special drills. And isn't that gorgeous? 30 by 30. I'm just going to peel that plastic back just so it can relax a little. Seems it's been rolled up for a while. And I'm not concerned because it will actually flatten out under a couple of books for a couple of weeks, and it'll be nice and flat, so I'm not all that concerned. I might just roll her back on itself. Now I can do this because it is poured glue. You cannot do this if it is double-sided adhesive, and that made it heaps worse. It actually is heaps worse. Alright, I'll just have to hold it. Absolutely gorgeous. Wow, that is so pretty. It's got 14 different drills in it. That's a lot for this size diamond painting. Looks like we've got some marquees and some rhinestones and some teardrops, which is really, really good. So I will zoom you in so you can have a closer look at that drill field. In we go. And that looks really super duper clear. I love these little bits on the edges. I think that's really cool. I love the way they've done the background. But that is very easy to read. There are 2 symbol keys, one on each side. I'll bring you over to this one over here. And that's nice and clear, so I don't think there's any issues at all reading those symbols. But that looks really, really good. Yeah, I saw this and I thought, that's actually really cute. I really like that. Love the background. Beautiful and clearly printed. Okay, I'll zoom you back out again. Out we go. And we'll have a look at those drills. So drills come on these standard strips. How many did I say? 14. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. They are all there. And we'll start on this end. We've got some absolutely gorgeous teardrops. Really beautiful faceted teardrops. They got pinks and reds and picking up a bit of yellow and blue. They're absolutely gorgeous. We have some purple marquees, again picking up some other colors there. I love how they do that. And look at the backs of those drills. Nice and clear. I don't see any scratches on those. We have some clear rounds, some frosted white AB teardrops. We'll have some green rounds that are picking up some beautiful yellows and blues. And the same but with purples and blues. They look really, really nice, those drills. And then onto our rhinestones, we have beautiful yellow. Oops. I don't know what that was. Purple. Got like gorgeous magenta pink. Isn't that beautiful? blue, light blue, green, pink, and clear. And those drills look really, really good. Really nice looking drills. Now, I can go over there. And that is diamond painting number 1. Absolutely gorgeous 30 by 30 special drill heart. That is so pretty. I love that. Okay, on to the next one. Another bubble pack. I think these are all special drills from memory. No, hang on. I think there's a normal one. Anyway, we'll find out. Okay, so we've got this one's in a clear plastic sleeve as well. Oops. Now I saw this one and I thought, oh, that is so different. I mean, it's really different. Really love it. Thicker canvas. 30 by 40 this one is. It is a special drill and it is of, oops, wow. Oh my gosh, we've got stuff coming out everywhere. We have just a standard toolkit, and you do have some Ziploc bags in there, and we've got some drills. And what is this? Oh wow, so you got a little sheet in there that shows you the diamond painting and instructions. That is actually printed really well. Oh, it's quite impressive. And there is a diamond painting. I saw this and I thought, oh my goodness. I love the colors. I think it's amazing. Really, really different. Now, again, I'm going to pull this plastic back. And it's actually stuck on there. I have to be a bit careful when I do that because it's really hard to pull off. Okay, I'll just do the other side. Yeah, wow, that's kind of hard to pull off. Ugh. Oh, I'm struggling. There we go. Okay, that's as straight as I'm going to get it at the moment. Again, I'm not worried because it will straighten out under books, but isn't that just gorgeous? Absolutely love that. There are 11, 12, 13, 14 different drills in this. I love the colors. I love these browns. I love the blues. Looks like we've got some yellows in there as well. Absolutely stunning. Oh, I just love this. I saw it. Oh, I've got to get it the second I saw it. Absolutely beautiful. I will zoom you in so you can have a closer look at that drill field. Here we go. So I apologize for the waves, but so there's a lot going on in the background of this diamond painting. Looks like he's holding a lotus flower. There are 2 symbol keys, one on each side. I'll bring you around to the bottom one. So that symbol key is pretty teeny tiny, but I shouldn't have any trouble reading that. They are numbered, so it should be pretty easy. But look at that background, wowee. And I love this design, like the intricate design in his trunk, his tusks. It's really beautiful. Printed very, very well. Absolutely gorgeous. Alright, I'll zoom you back out again. Out we go. We'll have a look at those drills. Yep. So again on strips. There. Alright, so we've got some loose ones. I might do them first. So they are very clearly marked. Symbol 8, and it's a clear round with like a flower emblem in the middle. I love these. They're beautiful drills. Got some faceted blue rounds, some frosted yellow AB rounds, and some yellow sort of dagger, what are they? Those things? I can't think what they're called. Anyway, those things are yellow. Marquees, they're called marquees. Gosh. And then on the strip, you have some yellow rhinestones. You've got some white AB drills, some beautiful dark blue rhinestones, orange, some yellow AB, some orange AB. Those drills are looking really good, actually. You've got those rounds with the floral sort of emblem in there, but a bit smaller. And it looks like these are glow-in-the-dark beads. So we have clear, yellow, and blue. I did not know that. Oh, that's going to look awesome. Really gorgeous colors. Absolutely gorgeous. That is the... Oh, it's just so pretty. I'll be really looking forward to doing that one. That is just going to turn out awesome. So the background color is colors 5 and 6. So that is... Okay, so the background colors are those two ABs. That's going to look really awesome. Ooh, very interesting. Gorgeous. All right, on to the next one. Again, in a padded sleeve. I think this one is a normal round drill from memory. Yep. So this one here, thicker canvas. Got drills and a standard toolkit with some Ziploc bags. And this one's a 30 by 40 full round drill, and it is of this gorgeous deer. So pretty. I just love the look on its face. Doesn't it have a pretty little face? Oh, I thought that was so cute. And I thought, seeing as I've been doing so many special drill diamond paintings, I should probably start getting some normal round drills as well. So this one here has 24 colors. So for a 30 by 40 to have 24 colors, that's a really good amount. You're going to get some really nice shading in the deer, the background, and that the foliage and that in the background. Looks like we have all capital letters. You have your DMC cross-reference as well. Looks like they're printed very, very well. So I will zoom you in and you can have a closer look at that drill field. In we go. I love this. I love how they have that soft background there. That's really pretty. So I'm having a closer look there. You've got some like hard to see areas. Where am I? Am I even on camera? Yep. In here, but I can read those symbols fine from here, so I think that'll be fine. There are 2 symbol keys, one on each side. I'll bring you over to the one on the right hand side. So there's your symbols. I don't think there's any issues reading those. And up we go. Hasn't just got a beautiful face? And I love the colors too. It's got a good balance of colors. And I love this background up the top here. That sort of watercolor effect. I love that. So we've got a lot of this white background color. So what's the color? Yep, 3865. So white. So I'll definitely be using the multi-placer on that one. That looks really good. All right, I'll zoom you back out again. We'll have a look at those drills. So let's just try. So that is like super sticky. And again, that will flatten out under books, no problem at all. Now the drills come in your Ziploc bags. I really, really love it when they do that. So when they sort of come like this, quite often it's just easier to work straight out of the bags. I will probably kit it up, I'm not sure, we'll see how we go, but you can tell from these bags here how perfectly printed they are. There's no mistaking that is color number 1, number 2, number 3, etc. So we have some peach color and some dark green, green and browns, some more greens, yellow and green, some more oranges and red, some browns, some more reds. Really pretty colors actually. Last but not least, got pink. Looks like black, that one, or dark brown. Some peach color, like a beige. Brown, brown, and a big pack of white. So those colors are absolutely gorgeous. I'll just put them all back in there and I can sort them out later. There we go. Couldn't find my diamond painting. Absolutely gorgeous deer. I just love this. It's so pretty. Really, really lovely. So that is my latest package that I got from OneDaySaving. One beautiful full round drill diamond painting. We've got this absolutely gorgeous special drill glow in the dark elephant. How cool is that? And last but not least, this gorgeous little special drill heart. 3 absolutely beautiful diamond paintings that I got from OneDaySaving. I'd like to thank OneDaySaving very much for sending these out to me for review. I'm really looking forward to getting started on these guys. So keep your eyes peeled for future videos in the not too distant future of me getting these ones done. I will put all the links to these diamond paintings in the description box below if you're interested in those. So thank you so much OneDaySaving, and thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you next time.